Welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Cade, and we're from Neonet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate the touchscreen gestures most commonly used on your Apple or Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking in the link below.
Let's start with Apple. People interact with an Apple device by performing gestures on the touchscreen. People generally expect the following standard gestures to work the same across the system and in every app. Tap activates a control or selects an item. You can also tap and hold an item to occasionally access other options, much like right-clicking a computer mouse. Drag moves an element from side to side or drags an element across the screen. Flick scrolls or pans quickly. Swipe moves left or right to flip through pages on the home screen, photos, or pages in an ebook. Pinch zoom in or out of applications. Double tap zoom in or out on photos, websites, and certain apps.
Now on to Android. Tap activates a control or selects an item. You can also tap and hold on an item to occasionally access other options, much like right-clicking on a computer mouse. Drag your finger on the screen to scroll up and down, left and right, or any other direction on the screen. Swipe your finger left or right to flip through pages on the home screen, photos, or pages in an ebook. Swipe left or right with 5 fingers to switch between open apps. Triple tap to zoom in. You can triple tap to zoom in on websites, images, or anything else in Android, but you need to enable the gesture shortcut in the OS settings first. From settings, choose accessibility, then tap magnification gesture and turn the toggle switch at the top on. Underneath the settings itself, you get a helpful explanation of how to use the feature. Pinch. Use to zoom in and out. Pinch 4 to 5 fingers, jump back to the home screen no matter where you are. 2 fingers swipe down. You can access the handy quick settings pane in Android by dragging down from the top of your screen to show your notifications and then dragging down again. But if you use a 2-finger swipe down from the top of your screen, the panel appears for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and more.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about understanding the touchscreen gestures of your Apple or Android device. For more information, visit Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, found in the link below.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.